Hi, my name is Sarah Kopkin, and I'm a project manager with Isothermal Planning and Development Commission. And as a part of our COVID-19 relief option video series, I'd like to talk a little bit about the economic injury disaster loans and the emergency advance available through the Small Business Administration. In response to the coronavirus global pandemic, the U.S. Small Business Administration, referred to as the SBA, is offering low-interest federal disaster loans to small businesses across the nation. Now, these loans are offered to businesses who have suffered substantial economic injury as a result of the coronavirus. So, to qualify for an economic injury disaster loan, referred to as an EIDL, you must be a small business with less than 500 employees, a nonprofit, private organization, or a 501c19 veterans organization that has been affected by COVID-19. Faith-based organizations may also apply for the EIDL, and larger businesses who might have more than 500 employees in certain industries may apply. And to know if you can be considered as a larger business, you can check with the SBA website. They have a tool on their website to see if you can qualify. So the details of the EIDL loan are that you can receive up to $2 million in assistance from the SBA, and this loan can be used to pay fixed debts, maintain your payroll for employees, pay any accounts payable, and any other bills your small business might have. Now, this is a loan, so the interest rates for small businesses are 3.75, and for nonprofits, the interest rate is 2.75. These loans are made based off your credit score, and the first 12 payments are deferred and will not be due until a year after the loan is dispersed. And during this time, interest is not accruing on the loan. Now, these loans have long-term repayments, and the maximum repayment term can be 30 years. So in addition to the EIDL loan, there's also an EIDL emergency advance. And this advance comes under the CARES Act, which was passed on March 27th. And this advance can be up to $10,000, and this advance does not have to be repaid, even if you are denied an EIDL loan. And this advance can be used for a variety of ways. You can use it to pay your sick leave for your employees, maintain your payroll, or pay any other business obligations you might have. For example, any debts or your rent or mortgage payments. So to be considered for an emergency advance, you must be a small business, a sole proprietor, an independent contractor, a tribal business, a cooperative, or an employee-owned business that has been in operation before January 31st, 2020. So to apply for an EIDL and the emergency advance, you must apply online through the SBA website, and the link is covid19relief.sba.gov/pound/. Now, this is a very easy, very simple application. Should only take about 20 minutes, and business owners who have already gone through the application process have said that this is the easiest loan application they've ever done. So once you complete the EIDL application, you'll see a box in the application for the emergency advance. You must click that box to request the emergency advance through the EIDL application. That's the only place you can request the advance. So once you submit your EIDL application and your request for the emergency advance, the SBA will contact you directly to discuss the details of the loan and the advance. And they will contact you via the phone number you put on your application. So put a phone number that you can be reached at any time and be prepared to answer any phone calls from unknown numbers. So it might be the SBA calling. And the SBA also has a local district office in Charlotte on Fairview Road. If you have any questions that you'd like for them to answer, their phone number is 704-344-6563. And if you have any questions about the EIDL loans or the emergency advance or any other COVID-19 related questions or resources, feel free to reach out to Isothermal Planning and Development Commission. Our website is regency.org. We have a lot of great resources on our website. And if you have any questions you'd like for us to answer directly, feel free to email our COVID-19 resources email address at regency.org, and an IPD staff person will contact you directly, or feel free to reach out to me directly at skopkin@regency.org. Thanks.